if you use ordinary butter, the burning point is quite low. So what I'm going to do is make a little bit of what we call clarified butter. So this is fantastic for anything where you want the flavour of butter but want to also be able to use a higher heat. Here I have half pound of butter. I'm putting it into just a measure, and I'm going to melt this in the oven. And then what will happen will be, it could be moderate or lower than moderate oven. What will happen is the butter will just melt out like that, and you see you have a sort of layer, milky layer at the base. This is the clear butter in the center, and then there's a sort of on top, there's a slightly little salty layer. So that's the salt that also burns at a low temperature. So we'll lift that off, and then you can keep the clarified butter in a little glass jar like this. It'll solidify and it'll keep for several weeks, even a month, and just use it whenever you need to have the flavour of butter but want to cook at a higher temperature, and it won't burn.